I just burned the hair. It is your girl, the Barbie, the brown Barbie, checking and tuning in on this lovely Saturday. My mom does not like when I use that voice, so she's gonna be like, but anyways, okay, so I'm planning on taking my lovely-dovey lockies out. I know they're like literally gorgeous, just like me. Just a joke. Like, I'm still in love with them, but it definitely is time for them to go. And I'm using my front camera, so I'm not staring at the camera. It is time for them to go, so I think I'm going to take them out tonight. So this will be the opening part of me cleaning my wig and reinstalling it, adding a new hairline, fixing anything of that nature. I'm super excited to put a wig back on because, child, your girl missed her wigs. Like, I missed it. Like, I just missed it so much. So, like, I don't know. I just think I look so pretty right now. Being vain is definitely one of my additions to me. But anyways, not a deodorant. Anyhow, yeah, so I will be cleaning my wig. I will be showing you guys how to do it. I'm about to watch like 3-4 videos right now because it's on Saturday and I gotta clean it. I want to clean the wig before I take this out. So that is probably gonna be tonight's mission. And yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig looks. It looks very short, but it's a little bit longer, but I will be cutting it a little more just to kind of refresh those ends and give it a nice sleeker look. So the inside is looking pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. I really just want this to attend a party, and then I'm gonna put my colored wig on. So all this black you see, I colored that in with Sharpie because it was balding there. So that is a pro tip. Use a black Sharpie just to help you temporarily if you're having a bald spot. Light flicks, but not hard. I'll give that to you guys in another video. So as you guys see, it is not as gunked up, but it is still a bit gunky. We got this area right here. I'm gonna try to get to focus, and I'm gonna try to get the light behind us so we see it a little better. There you go, you guys see it perfect. You see the Sharpie. And yeah, so I made my solution of Dawn dish soap and boiling water, which you guys will see next. I'm going to dip it in there, leave it in there for about approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will come back and scrub the remainder off. And then I'm going to reboil new water and dip the whole wig in so we can give this a refresh. And then we will hopefully be all set, and you know, we'll cut around the ends, give new hairline if need be, and we will install. Okay, so as you guys see, I have moved into my kitchen. You guys see how hot the water is, and I'm a bit oh my, I just burned the hair. I don't know if I like that the hair just got burnt like that, because this is supposed to be human hair, and it's feeling like, I don't know how human hair, whatever, we're just, and this is wet, super dysfunctional, guys. But like I said, I have to be super duper careful with the eyes, and I'm going to dip this top piece inside the mixture and really just let that sit. So trying to do it with one hand so y'all can see. And we are going to just leave that for a few minutes and be like a dummy. The eye is still on, and that's how the hair got burnt. this is the burnt piece of hair, if y'all was wondering. Anywho, I'm going to boil a new batch of hot water so I can afterwards dump this batch and just soak the hair in hot water and conditioner. That is how I like to refresh my wigs. I find that the most effective and the most easiest way without having to spend bucks. Alright, so as you guys have seen, I just turned my eye off because it's starting to get hot. And you guys can already see the color and dye and all that. That is starting to come off. It's gonna be so hard to do without burning myself. So let me just be prepared to burn myself. So as you guys see, it's already kind of peeling off. And let's see. All right, it is starting to come off, so I think we are sufficient enough to move to the towel. So how can I do this without the anxiety in my house? Put the towel down, put the wig. Dysfunctional Deja is here, so I'm just gonna really just like lift it real fast. You guys see all the color. That's why I also like to boil my wig, to get any of the processed stuff out and things of that nature. So as we see in a different light, see all that gunk. Now we're just gonna get a towel and just like wipe it off. But I'm gonna bring it in my room so you guys could see that process. All right guys, so I'm gonna start the cleaning process. This is my first time doing this method, so we're just gonna see if it works or if I need to possibly reboil water. It is definitely a tedious process, so be aware and be ready to take time. So as you guys just see, I'm gonna show you before of a section. Gonna simply wipe it, kind of put a little pressure in it. Give it a good little wipe, and now we see a clump is gone. So we will be repeating this process till it's all clean. I learned this method from, I'm gonna have to take a pause and insert a voice note because I forgot her name. And Ross, how to clean your lace. So I will leave that above in the description box so everyone can give her credit, because I don't want to be one of those people that don't give her credit. But I know this is a method a lot of people use, but you know, this is where I got it from. Yes. So as you guys see, I'm just scraping, and now I'm going to try to put some oil on it to see if that helps, because it started to dry, and oil does really help get your lace glue up, even on your head. Now, to revitalize your wig, you're going to grab your favorite conditioner, obviously your wig, in a bowl or pot full of boiling hot water. This is important. Now you're going to pour your conditioner in, and you got to stir it up. Then you're just going to dip your wig right in there and leave it in there for about 15 minutes. Voila, revitalize.